Good morning, Washington. Blueberries are one of America's favorite fruit, and now is the perfect time to enjoy them. You know, when fruits and vegetables are in season, our bodies crave a lot of the nutrients that they contain. So today I've got 4 great recipes that you can make using fresh blueberries. I'm going to be doing a spinach and broccoli salad with blueberries and feta cheese and a buttermilk dressing. We're also going to do a blueberry clafouti, and I've got some fresh fruit kebabs. I also have some mixed berry bruschetta with blueberries in them. So the first thing we're going to do is get started on our dressing. To make the dressing, we're going to place the yogurt, buttermilk, lemon juice, lemon zest, garlic, poppy seeds, and black pepper in a bowl and whisk until blended. Blueberries are the king of antioxidant fruits because they are more nutrient dense than other popular fruits and vegetables. And you only need a very small portion to reap the benefits of their nutritional value. So about 2 ounces or 2.5 ounces is really the serving size that you're aiming for. So we've definitely got that with our salad and our other recipes. So to assemble the salad, we're going to start with a bed of spinach in the bottom of our bowl. And then we're going to add in our sliced avocado, our feta cheese, our broccoli, and our blueberries, then our roasted sunflower seeds, and we'll top it with our dressing. Blueberries are high in fiber and flavor, but they're low in calories. And they also have so many great nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and the specific antioxidants that make them healthful for us are called flavonoids. So flavonoids are great to help us protect against cancer and heart disease. We want to be getting as much of them as we possibly can in our diet. All of these recipes can be found on my website via my blog, amyriolo.com. My cookbooks can be found on amazon.com. And don't forget to join me on Wednesday afternoons for Taste Talks with Amy on Instagram Live. Thank you.